Okay, so another video about FIBB rules 2021-2024. Yung number 2 is all about net and post. So 2.11, placed vertically over the center line, there is a net whose top set at the height of 2.3 for men and 2.24 for women. Then 2.12, its height is measured by the center of the court playing. The net height over the two sidelines must be exactly the same. It must not exist the official height of by more than 2 meters. Yan. Let's go. 2.2, the structure. So the net is 1 meter wide or plus minus 3 centimeter and 9.5 to 10 meter long, with 25 to 50 centimeter each side bands made of 10 centimeter square black mesh. So itim, usually itim naman talaga yung yung badminton net. So for FIBB World and official competition in conjunction to specific competition regulation, the mesh may be modified to facilitate advertising according to marketing agreements. So yung mesh niya, yung net niya, pwedeng lagyan mo ng kung anong pang-advertise. For example, VNL o UAP, pwede mo lagyan siya ng mga logo, something like that. Usually, pag mga malalaking games, may mga sponsor kasi yan. At, at its top, a horizontal 7 centimeter wide, made of two-fold white canvas is sewn along its full length. Each extreme end of the bands has a hole through which passes a cord, fastening the band to the post for keeping its top taut. So, merong mga butas siya para talagang diretsong-diretso siya. Within the band, the flexible cable fastens the net to the post and keeps it top taut. Okay? So, meron siyang mga may parang wire na bakal na ihilayin siya para maging diretso. At the bottom of the net, there is another horizontal band which is 5 centimeter wide, similar to the top band. Wait lang. Through which it threaded a rope. This rope fastens the net post and keeps it lower part taut. Side bands. So, two side bands or 2.3 side bands. Two white bands are fastened vertically to the net, placed directly above its sideline. So, 5 centimeter wide, 1 meter long are considered part of the net. Yan. 2.4 antenna. Our antenna is a flexible rod 1.8 meter long and 10 millimeter in diameter, made of fiberglass or similar material. The antenna is fastened to the outer edge of each band. The antenna are placed opposites of the net. So, magkabilang dulo yan. The top 80 centimeter of each antenna extends above the net is marked with 10 centimeter stripes, contrasting color. Preferably red and white. Pero yun naman talaga lagi kulay ng antenna. The antenna are considered part of the net and laterally delimit the crossing space. So, ito yung nasasabi kong outside yung bola kung manggagaling mo sa gilid. Let's go with the post. Yung post naman, 2.5, 2.51, the post supporting the net are placed at a distance of 0.5 to 100 meter or 1 meter outside the sidelines. There are 2.55 meter high, preferably adjustable. So, yung post na yan, depende pa rin. Pero kung sa FIBB World and World Competition, the post supporting the net are placed a distance of 1 meter outside the sidelines and must be padded. Kasi nga, pwede bumangga yung mga players dyan. Kaya padded siya. 2.5.2, posts are rounded and smooth, fixed to the ground without wires. There are no dangerous obstructing devices. 2.6, additional equipment. All additional equipment is determined by FIBB regulation. So, yun po yung sa 2, which is pertaining to the net and post. So, hopefully, may natutunan kayo kahit konti dito. Basta tandaan lang natin yung taas ng height para sa lalaki is 2 meters and 43. Yan, 2.43 meters for men and 2.24 meters for women. Bilang naman yung ano eh. Tapos, tawag ito, ano ba matatandaan dito? So, halos wala naman eh, no? Pero yung sasabi nga nila, pag may mga sponsor, pwedeng nilagyan ng logos ng sponsor yung net nyo kapag medyo malalaki yung mga liga. Yan. So, pag may tanong pa kayo, pwede kayo mag-comment sa comment box o magtanong kayo doon. Baka pwedeng gusto nyo meron kayong talakayin na topic about volleyball. Pwede natin pag-usapan yan sa susunod na video. Thank you!